Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jess. If you're a returning subscriber, baby, you know the vibes over here. Oh my god, I still remember that intro after like forever. So guys, I'll not even like come here and start telling you vile naambianga I'm sorry. I was just going through a lot. Then I'll be back now. I have been suffering. Nimekuwa nikiteseka mimi. I have been struggling with the fear of being seen trying. You have to understand me. I can proudly say that I overcame the fear. Okay, here you're gonna see me growing, struggling, failing, and there is nothing you can do about it. Today, I wanted to do a get to know me tag. I did it as my first video, but I feel like it's 3 years ago. Come on guys, I've grown. Even my height, I've grown. Let's start the video. So I've written them on a book because one thing about me, I love writing. Also, niko na simu moja. What's your name? Yeah, that's my name. Kasanza is my name and Jessica is my full name. But I love to use Jess or Kasanza in. To why did you start YouTube? I started YouTube mainly because I've always wanted to be on screens. Like, I don't care, I don't know, sikuwahi jua whether I wanted to be an actress or a radio presenter or a news anchor, whatever. Mimi nilikuwa tu najua nataka watu wanione kwa screens zao. Also to keep memories too, and then to showcase my skills. I wanted people to see my skills. So yeah, those are basically the reasons. Also to get money. What's your inspiration in life? So my inspiration in life is the lifestyle that I want. That's what inspires me most. What's your career? I am a teacher by profession. I do education, physics and chemistry. I have taught in like several schools, 3 of them. I've taught on teaching practice. I have taught twice during long holidays. Yeah, and I think I'm good at it. I think I'm a good teacher, guys. I think I can shape the future of your kids. Do you trust me? You know you should. What did you tell your 18-year-old self? I just tell her to calm down. Like, calm down, baby, calm down, like calm down, calm down, okay? Because like things are not going anywhere, and you're still young to like pressure yourself and want so much. Like, it's okay to want so much, but don't pressure yourself, and everything always falls in place as long as you trust God. Just tell her to chill and not to stress, to just live life. I enjoy doing the most. Doing hair, that's something that I really enjoy, and also doing my makeup. Those are 2 things that I really enjoy. Like, I don't like braiding my hair. Do you know why? Because I want to be able to like turn it and tie a ponytail here, to just do anything that I want to my hair and my face. Yeah. My battery died, so let's continue with the questions. Nimeshiba, okay? Nasikia sijui nakaaje. Let me sit like a birdie. Okay. How do you handle challenges? How do I handle challenges? Basically, I can't advise you on this. Like, I can't do it because I don't have a specific way to process my feelings first. I make sure that I have allowed myself to feel every feeling that there is to feel. If it's like the feeling of like I failed, the feeling of like why would someone, any challenge. So I just allow myself to feel the feelings, and I allow myself to react. So that's why I cannot advise you, because I'll tell you get a tattoo or a piercing or beat their mom or something. Personally, I'm still like figuring it out, so that's why I can't tell you. A thing you wish most people would stop. I wish people would stop with the trends and aesthetics. Not like necessarily stop, but I wish people would stop copying everything they see on social media. I don't know why. Like, it just inanikasirisha by the way. Unatembea town unapata kila mtu amevaa the same clothes, the same everything. Like, yeah, I love to be in the club of the cool people. I love it, but like you don't have to copy everything that you see. Life rule stroke hack you've mastered. If it won't matter to me in 15 years, 5 years, or even 10 years, I have no business stressing over it for more than 15 minutes. Like 15 to 20 minutes just enough for me to, like, cry if I need to. That's my life hack. Like, that's how I move. Number 10, a message to your subscribers. Guys, I love you so much. Like, there's 11 of you. Kisses. I really love you guys. Like, I love you because, like, you've been here for a while and you've not unsubscribed. You've not unsubscribed. You've been here. You've always believed in me. I've given up on YouTube so many times. Not even once, twice, 3 times. But I've given up. I've literally given up on it so many times. But then at the end of the day, najikumbusha, you have 600 people that think that you're good at this thing. Because I believe, like, you clicked and subscribed because you felt like there is something you can see from me, or maybe you are just supporting me, which is okay. Yeah, I felt like if so many people can believe in me, I can believe in myself too. So I'm here to stay.